பவர் பாயிண்ட் வந்து நீ இருக்க இங்க வந்து நீ மட்டும் தான் போற பவர் பாயிண்ட் இல்ல அதனால அவருக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தேன்
Professor Mahesh, good morning.
Professor, good morning, Professor.
Good morning, good morning. How are you, Professor?
I'm good, Professor.
Okay, okay. Nice to hear.
How are you?
Sorry, bro, sir.
How are you?
I'm all right. How about you, bro, sir? How are family members?
Good. We are fine. Yeah.
Okay. I'm eagerly waiting to hear you.
Same here. I'm also eagerly waiting to listen to you.
Okay, bro, sir.
Uh,
Thank you, sir. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning, professors. Good morning, Dr. Selvan. Good morning, Magesh.
Good morning. Yeah.
I hope my audio and video is clear to all.
Yeah, it's very clear.
Yes, sir. We just start the program in a couple of minutes.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. We can wait.
Please be connected with us.
Yeah.
We'll start the program in a couple of minutes.
Sure, sir. No problem.
Shakti,
Sure. Yeah.
can you put even more close up? Speaker. Other தெரியாது. During the PPT will change. No.
Very good morning to one and all. Hope you all enjoyed the stay at Kalpakam. With a new and fresh start, I welcome you all for the second day of 12th Biennial International Hybrid Conference on Recent Advances in Information Technology 2021. Today we have 3 technical sessions, a panel discussion and thereafter validatory function. Now we start the 4th technical session chaired by Dr. N.V. Chandrasekhar, Associate Director, MSG, IG Card. Let me introduce him. He is a Scientific Officer H and Associate Director, Material Science Group, IG Card. Professor Homi Bhabha, National Institute, Scientist in Charge, UGC, DAE, CSR, Kalpakam Node. And his professional affiliations are Fellow of the Academy of Sciences, Chennai, Life Member of many prestigious societies. He is the elected member of International Center for Diffraction Data, and he has many honors. May I name some: Kalpakam Science and Technology Awards of 1995, Best Thesis Award of 1998, a Recognition Award, Science and Technology Excellence Award for the year 2007, MRSI Medal Lecture Award of 2015, and his publications, 133 publications in peer-reviewed scientific journals. Now, today's first speaker of the day is Dr. G. Mahesh, Senior Principal Scientist, NISCARE, New Delhi. May I introduce the first speaker of the day, Dr. G. Mahesh is a Senior Principal Scientist with National Institute of Science Communication and Policy Research, New Delhi. Presently, he is attached to the Science Communication and Dissemination Directorate at the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. He was head of the National Science Library, National Science Digital Library, and the ISSN National Center. He is a professor at the Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research, where he teaches and researches in the areas S&T, information and communication. He has published research papers in the national and international journal, including journals such as Current Science, Scientometrics, Library, Program Technology and Society, Electronic Library, and so on. He is currently the editor of an Annals of Library and Information Studies and editor-in-chief of Colnet Journal of Scientometrics and Information Management. In the past, he was also the project leader of the National Knowledge Research Consortium, a mega project that facilitated access to S&T information resources in the CSIR and DST labs. He was also the national focal point coordinator of the SAG Documentation Center. As a coordinator of the SAG Documentation Center, he has conducted workshops in Bangladesh, Maldives, Pakistan, Nepal, etc., and other South Indian nations like Vietnam and Thailand. He was an IFLA ALP fellow at Rangsit University, Thailand. So, are you ready, sir? Mahesh, sir?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, thank you very much, organizers and Dr. Rajeshwari, for giving me this opportunity of chairing this session. So since the speaker has been already introduced, so we will start the first speech today, and the speaker has 25 minutes and then 5 minutes for discussion. Thank you. Dr. Mahesh.